Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create snippets on VS Code using Snippet Creator. It's an extension, so you gotta go on extensions, right? Type Snippet Creator and this one, right? With the scissors in the icon and click on install. It's gonna install the extension. Now close it and it's pretty simple to use it. Okay, you gotta type something. You're gonna type this, just a list on HTML, but you can use any language you want, JavaScript, Python, C, C++, whatever. What do you want? So select the text you want, okay? Press F1 and type create snippet. This one, right? And you can even make a shortcut. I use, Alt and C and Alt plus Cn, or CS, Alt plus CS to create my snippet with a shortcut. But let's continue. You click on there, right? And select your language. I'm using HTML, so I'm gonna select HTML. Give a name for it. The name doesn't matter at all. It's just a name. So I'm gonna call it list with 5 li. So the prefix is the thing that matters the most. So I use a character on my snippets to start them, and this way, when I want to list all my snippets, I just type my character, right? So normally I use exclamation or even this hash, right? Gonna type hash and UL and the description. If you don't remember what it does, right? Just type, I don't know, it's a list with 5 items. This way, and now the snippet was added to html.json. So now you're gonna type it, hash UL. I have another one for table, and this one for UL. So you gotta just do this way, and it's ready. Thanks for watching, and goodbye. That's it.